Out.
Munchkin's gonna.
Out. He ain't going nowhere.
He's supposed. You have to get the collar back.
Come here, Munchkin. You want me to hook it? Here, I have an idea.
Do it. Come on, Munchkin. You want to get walked?
I know you want to go there. I know you.
Hi, Blue. Blue Thunder.
Hyundai. Hyundai. Hyundai.
Hyundai, Hyundai, Hyundai.
This way. Come on.
Munchkin, don't go in that hole.
No. He knows what he knows more what's going on
Than we do.
than we do.
Don't let him go in the thorns. That's why they call the street thorn acres.
You want to go back in? See, he thinks, Alex, he's not stupid. This cat's not stupid. Come on. There's something in that corner that he's interested. I gotta tear that.
Yeah, I wonder what's in that corner that he's interested in. Maybe it's...
Go! Stop worrying about that. Bella. Go, stop worrying about that phone. Find out what Bella's. Guys, close the other room. Shut the other door.
I'm gonna shut the laundry room door.
Where are you?
Shut the laundry room door. Sure she's not in there.
Okay. Munchkin, right here. You want to come in?
Huh?
Munchkin, you want to come in?
Yeah, I think better for his son.
Okay, come on, old man.
Oh, really?
Bye.